Hello, artistic people. Like you see, I'm determined to learn how to paint with acrylic. It is very heavy for me because watercolors, and before that, just the pencils and color pencils. But I want to try, and I have one little tin board, not cardboard, board already prepared for the acrylics, and I paid for €1, I think, in one cheap shop. So I think this piece of board is perfect for me to play on, to I know try to paint. And I'm lately watching one show. It is called the show is from 2015, I think, or 18, something like that. So it is called Revenge, and in the beginning of this show always is showing one picture with a red sky and black sea and moon in the background. So I did try to paint this picture. That is like a little animation, like a little video before the show starts. So I was taking screenshot from this picture and I wanted to try, and I don't know did I make it or did I not, but I did learn something. I know because I was already paint with acrylics before, and I knew things. Maybe I paint maybe 5 paintings, and one is for my friend's birthday. She was very happy, and I was painting this painting so long, for I think 3 years. I start and leave it for the rest of the year, and then I start again next year, and I paint for 2 hours and leave it, because this, especially this cheap acrylics which I have, are so fast drying, and it is incredible. And when I paint on big canvas, it is terrible to blend colors or to something do with it. So I decided for a little bit smaller canvas. So I'm trying here just to have something like a moon, like a shape of the moon. And I was really struggling with this acrylics. So I did try. Uh, I think the sky is the best and moon is not bad. I make the moon with a very light yellow color, and I think I should dry between layers. So I think I should take hair hair blow dryer hair dryer and dry layers, because this is, I don't know, or the paints, or I don't know how to paint with it. So I did watch some tutorials on YouTube, and some of my friends really like acrylics, and they show on their tutorials how to paint with acrylics. But I don't know, I always want to do it myself. And here, the moon and the sky, I think it's okay. But then I messed up the sea, because this, what my daughter was thinking when I showed her, she was thinking that this is some uh, mountains. So this should be a sea. And I did add I want to add like colors in the waves, like from the silver color. And I think I did overdo it, and I add too much silver, and everything just look like one blob. So then later I add a little bit more black between these waves, and I think I'm learning that I need to dry layers before I'm adding a new layer, and I think I need to. Uh, I see that I need to stand when I paint with acrylics and only with acrylics. That is very incredible to me to learn that when I paint with acrylics, I need to stand up. I can't sit and paint with acrylics. It is very strange. I don't know how to explain this. But my husband, very long time ago, he made me one easel, and I think I will use the easel for this acrylics adventure of mine because I need to stand up. And so now I'm trying to add some um, colors for this moonlight in the sea, and later I'm adding this silver color, and I will mix everything, but I did overdo with this silver. Later I a little bit fix it. It is very good that you can fix these acrylics. You can paint over everything again, and it will be better. So I will show you for a few seconds the finished painting, and I'm pretty satisfied. I don't know, since this is I think sixth or seventh painting I paint with acrylics. I think I did satisfy. So this is my crying about acrylics. Thank you so much for watching, and I think I will see you soon. Bye.